Nè, ở đấy ôn.
So, alright, right now, everything's all gravy. They weigh it, they moving it. So it's time to go to JFK.
Only 45 minutes. Weather's good up in New York. It's very similar to here right now, 37 degrees, clear skies. If there's anything at all that we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know. Nancy's working up front and Alex is working in the back. Good morning, welcome aboard.
Pressing on the brake real hard. You gotta hold on now. We're here in New York. That's the only thing about JFK. Alright guys, we still fall right down. We took that out of here. Not supposed to. I told them they were prepared. Our best move just to wait for them because so we won't get lost. Thank you. Alright, check this out guys. We got some Korean food. It's good. Alright, real quick. Gochujang, if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Korean hot pepper paste. So you gotta ask for it. It don't come with all these dishes. It only come with the Korean dish. But anyway, I love this. Spicy. So good. I'm telling you, I love this. Alright, this is our next meal. What you got over there? Let's see. Oh, beef and rice, huh? And they serve us coffee or tea, whatever you want.
저희 승무원들은 앞으로도 안전하고 편안한
Man, I want to say it's been like, I want to say 18 hours. The total of everything, we didn't reach our destination yet. The total of everything is going to be at least 20 to 22, 21, I don't know, around that area. 21, I think it's 21 hours total of everything. And a long ass flight. But it's all gravy, baby. It's going to be all worth it. Go ahead, Owen. I follow you. Keep it moving and grooving, huh? Oh, definitely need this. Ah, VIP. I see. Special treatment. Alright, we on our third flight. I got some chicken and rice with some bread, butter. Oh, she got some beef noodles. We tagged along with them. Everybody crushing, everybody eating. I'm crushing my food right now. Let's get it. Alright, so make sure you do something like this. This is the sauce. I don't know what sauce this is. Like this. Look, see? And after that, you want to do this. You want to just stir it around. Be careful because you're going to spill it. Just stir it around so that all the sauce can be all in it. And after that, you can just take a bite.
편안하게 여행하실 수 있도록 정성을 다하겠습니다. 감사합니다. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Phnom Penh International Airport. Please
Hey, man. I remember you. Jamda. Pakai aja ke dapur. Hah? Mana? Kan dia mau pergi wai. Tahu? This is how it looked like, guys. Finally here. It was a long flight. I'm definitely gonna post this up when I get to the crib. They changed a lot of stuff the last time I was here. This will call you a tuk-tuk. Hello. USA. Alright, this is how it looked like, guys. They really changed a lot of stuff. Alright. By the way, I'm using my Samsung S9 Plus to record this. But starting tomorrow, I'm gonna use my Canon. Just showing y'all guys around at the Cambodia-Through airport. And this how it look like. They all rushing, so I'm trying to record this real quick. So I can give you at least a little something. Alright, keep moving and grooving. If you ain't moving, you losing. Lonnie. Pasa Vision. Pasa Vision. Pasa Vision. Hey, look, don't worry. Come here. Okay, say Sa Vision one more time. Say Sa Vision. Sa Vision. Alright, so we in a separate cars. Nia went to the different car and I went to the in-law car. But we heading to the house right now, and yeah, first day in Cambodia. I'm super excited. The time that I will get comfortable, I definitely will post up this vlog. The father-in-law and the mother-in-law and the niece-in-law. What
you doing tonight, baby? We living. This could be the time of your life. Make a decision. You can never pick any side. You always switching. Girl, you make me feel so alive. Fuck with your vision. I fuck with your vision.